Hey, what's up guys, TechTine here and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And yeah, let's skip this. Okay, and yeah, with that being said, today I have a special package. So it's March 18th and the iPhone SE is finally out. Whether it's exciting or not, let's just put that to the side real quick. I'm really excited to check it out and take a look at it. So let's open up the first box, which houses another box that has the phone. Okay, here is the 2022 iPhone SE's box. It's just what you'd expect from an Apple box at this point. It's nothing really that exciting. A thin box that only comes with the cord. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This time around, instead of using the typical plastic, they are using the pull tabs on their iPhone SE editions as well. So yeah, one of the things that I do want to say, which is kind of disappointing, so it starts out at 64 gigabytes as far as storage. Okay, so after removing the pull tabs, it's literally all you have to do is just take the lid out of the box, and you will have the phone itself, which was placed kind of upside down. So here it is, the iPhone SE 2022, and right off the bat, I mean it's kind of heavier than last year's or the 2020 iPhone SE. So let's put that to the side and we'll talk about it later. And in the contents of the box itself, you do get some paperwork, which of course houses your startup guide as well as the famous Apple stickers. And besides that, you do get your USB-C to Lightning cord, and that's pretty much it. So here's the actual phone itself. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, spend some time with it so I can give you guys a proper kind of a mini review. Okay, so after some time, I'm comfortable with giving you guys my full thoughts on the 2022 iPhone SE, or let's just call it iPhone SE 3. So the third version or the third generation of the iPhone SE, one, it houses the same design as an iPhone 8 and the same kind of at this point boring design as the 2020 iPhone SE. And the only thing that is different to me, or it strikes me as different, is that it does have a heftier weight. And that's due to the battery or maybe due to the A15 Bionic chip. So on the top, you do have a 12 megapixel camera. And let me tell you, so the camera is not as good as the iPhone 13's. However, it does use the same image processing because it does have the A15 Bionic, which, okay, so same old lens from the iPhone 11, but a processing from the iPhone 13. And overall, it does produce some pretty good pictures, and they are better than the pictures of the iPhone SE 2020. So a comparison between them two is coming, by the way. So the iPhone SE 2 and the iPhone SE 3, some of you guys mentioned that they want to see a comparison, so that's coming soon. And yeah, I mean, as far as the everyday experience, let's talk about the front of the phone. So like I said, the display quality is also the same, which means that honestly, this is one of the least favorite features that I have about this phone. It's a sub 720p display, and I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, yeah, it's powerful, but this display is disappointing. That's really my thoughts on it. Okay. As far as the everyday tasks and the performance, I mean, it's a top dog, right? Performance is second to none, so it performs better than the best flagship out there. That's just what it is. Apple is known for their performance, so they get a thumbs up from me from that. But do you really need all that performance when it's such a, how do I say that? I don't want to say it's low quality because it's not low quality, but it's just an old design and not really a high-tech display. The camera is good, don't get me wrong, but yeah, some of the parts of this phone is disappointing. So really, how I feel about it is this. One, you're charging $429 for this phone, and the base storage is 64 gigabytes. If you want to move up in storage, you're going to have to pay more money. That's disappointing. So let me give you this. Let me give you kind of a quick summary. One, the design is not interesting at all at this point. And the only changes, the only real changes that I see that are happening on this phone is the performance, the addition of 5G, the improved battery life, and the improved image processing. So an improved camera overall. But other than that, I mean, if you have iPhone SE 2020, I don't really see a huge reason to upgrade to this version. It kind of doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so with that being said, I mean, one, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more content. I am going to be doing a comparison between this and the 2020 iPhone SE, and I'm also going to be doing a comparison between it and the S21 FE. Stay tuned for that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching.